Guys, one update how to adjust your clock on your Citroen C4 Picasso. In my previous video I put subtitles, but looks complicated, so I will just explain you quickly. You just press menu and you need to find display adjust. With the upper and lower buttons you can manipulate that one. So display adjust, then OK. Then you have hour is 20 at the moment. I want to make it 21 and I'm using left and right arrows, 21, and then OK. If you want to adjust the minutes, is the same. Press menu, display adjust, OK, and then lower and upper buttons, minutes, year, month, and etc. So let's adjust the minutes. Press OK. Actually, first adjust the minutes with the left and right buttons, and then OK, and then you have it.